Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq 12 volt and 24 volt black SteelHead LED work light with a flood beam. Now this is a nice square LED work light, provides a bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and recreational applications. It is a flood beam, so it does illuminate a wide area. So it's great for work trucks, utility vehicles, and fishing boats. It does use a nice sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. It is IP68 rated. And if you notice, it is a clear lens over 4 white LEDs. And they are premium LEDs, which are energy efficient, long lasting, and vibration resistant. They are rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. Now they do use a military grade construction of the circuit board on this light, and it uses urethane potting, which gives you a better protection than common epoxy potting. It does offer thermal regulation to protect against overheating, and you can see it is a nice durable black powder coated aluminum housing, helps resist corrosion. And this is compatible with both 12 volt and 24 volt DC systems. It is a very easy installation. If you look right at the bottom here, it has this single bolt pedestal style bracket, and it's a stainless steel hardware which is all included for installation. And what's nice on that bracket is when you tighten it down, it will let you adjust the angle of the light as needed. Now this does hardwire to your application. It is 2 wires, a power and a ground. Wire length is about 9 inches. Now I am going to hook this up to some 12 volt power just to show you how bright the light is and the type of light it is. First I want to give you a few dimensions. The overall length on this light is right at 3 inches. Overall height is also 3 inches tall, and the total depth from the front to the very back is right at 2 inches deep. Light output on this is 1100 lumens. Power draw at 12 volts is 0.66 amps. At 24 volts is 0.33 amps. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go hook up our 12 volt power. And once we get that all hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light. And you can see with that light on how bright it is. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn off the overhead light. And you can see with the overhead light off how bright it is. What I am going to do is zoom back out just so I can turn this to the back wall and show you the type of beam it is. So it is a flood beam, so it will illuminate a very wide area. Again, turn it back around. We'll go ahead and zoom back in. With it zoomed in, you can see the 4 LEDs. Go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq 12 volt, 24 volt black SteelHead LED work light with the flood beam.